Guide for replacing reading lights in BLACKSERIES RVs. Tools required: small-sized hex wrench. Replacement steps: locate the junction box and disconnect quick connectors. Open the cabinet that houses the junction box. Remove the junction box cover to access the quick connectors. Gently unplug the two quick connectors. Remove the old reading light. Use a hex wrench to locate the screw port of the reading light. Hold the light firmly with one hand and turn the wrench counterclockwise with the other to loosen the screws. Carefully pull out the wiring step by step and remove the old light. Install the new reading light. Thread the new light's wiring through the designated openings. Ensure the light switch faces outward and secure the light to the base using the hex wrench. Connect the red wire to the red wire and the black wire to the black wire, pressing firmly to secure the quick connectors. Test the light by turning on the switch to confirm it functions correctly. Complete the installation. After confirming the connections, replace the junction box cover. Verify the light is securely installed. Congratulations, the replacement is complete.